Hi friends, Mrs. Siska here. We miss you. We hope you're doing well. I'm on here to give you a little tutorial on how to use these 10 frames and these flashcards that you got in your packet. So normally when our kiddos learn to count, they do what's called rote counting, which is they kind of just count off the top of their head as many numbers as they can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like that. When they do one-to-one correspondence, which is what this 10 frame will help them do, they are counting exactly how many little objects are in front of them and giving you that total. So these little flashcards that came in your packet will just kind of help them with number recognition, one-to-one correspondence. So they say, okay, let's count the little dots in the 10 frame. They count one by one and they say, okay, there's 10 dots and that's the number 10. So that's what that kind of helps them with. That's just practice. These little blank 10 frames are for you to kind of get creative and do a little addition subtraction even. They don't know that they're doing that, but that's what they're doing. So you know, first off, that when you have a 10 frame, you can tell them, okay, there's 10 boxes. So you know that when all those boxes are filled with my little Easter chicks here, that means 10. You don't even have to count. Similarly, if you have, we know that this is 2 rows of 5. So if you have one that just has one full row filled, you know, okay, there's one row filled, and I know that one row is 5, so that's 5 chicks. I don't even have to count. If you want to do a little expansion on that, you can start adding some objects. So here we can say, okay, well, how many is that exactly? So you can say, well, we know that top row is filled. That's 5. I don't even have to count. So put 5 in your head. 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 chicks in the 10 frame. 8 chicks total. So then from there you can do even a little addition. You can say, okay, well, we have 8. How many more do we need to get to 10, since we know the total frames is 10? You can say, all right, put 8 in your head, 9, 10. So how many more do we need? How many empty boxes do we have? 1, 2. So 8 plus 2 would be 10. So you need 2 more to get to 10. Similarly, if you have 10, you can say, okay, we have 10 chicks. If we take away 2, how many is that? And have them count. Okay, that's 5, 6, 7, 8. So you guys can just play around with this. It's pretty fluid. As long as you're using that math language, they're going to be getting a lot out of it. These are just for a little bit of practice. If I would recommend starting with the blank 10 frames first. And then once they've mastered the 10 frame, then go ahead and move on to the 20. So then you can say, okay, this is 10 and this is 10. So kind of the same way that this guy works, only now instead of 5 and 5, counting that, you can do 10 and 10. All right, I hope that helped. Stay safe, stay well. We miss you and we love you. Bye-bye.